This SUV has 1,200 horsepower, and it can destroy supercars. This is the Lucid Gravity Sapphire, and it's not a normal car. Its motors aren't off the shelf. They're built in-house using aerospace-level engineering. And here's the crazy part. The battery doesn't just power the car. It actually makes the whole SUV stronger, like a race car. So yeah, this thing is a full-on speed and luxury monster. Electric vehicles are fast, but building an SUV that outruns hypercars while comfortably seating 7 adults requires a complete rethink. Every millimeter in this car costs millions. Today, we're tearing down the engineering secrets behind the Gravity Sapphire to see how Lucid packs over 1,200 horsepower into a family SUV without ripping the chassis apart. The secret weapon? The proprietary twin-motor rear drive. While most manufacturers buy off-the-shelf parts, Lucid builds its own stators, using a continuous wave winding process that cuts electrical resistance drastically. Think microchip factory. 4 motors. Next is thermal management. The copper windings are micro-injected with cooling fluid during assembly to handle extreme loads. And the battery packs? They aren't just slotted in, they are structural components, bonded with aerospace-grade adhesives, making the whole SUV unbelievably rigid. This isn't just car building, it's advanced material science. Raw power alone isn't enough if the cabin feels like a stripped-out race car. Lucid combines industrial engineering with artisanal craftsmanship. Robotic arms place components with micrometer precision, ensuring zero panel gaps. Every material, from sustainably sourced woods to high-end textiles, integrates perfectly with massive digital panels. The result? A silent, luxurious cockpit, even at 150 miles per hour. The Lucid Gravity Sapphire isn't just an SUV. It's a masterclass in modern engineering. It proves that you can combine physics-defying speed with ultimate luxury. What do you think? Is this extreme engineering worth the price tag? Or are traditional V8 South still king? Comment below, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.